So your bring back of Oggy humor part 5.
I'm waiting part 5 from Oggy
Make
humor.
Oggy humor, for I've been dying.
I want of Oggy humor part 5.
This meets with Oggy sound effects 5. With this tech featuring very limited season.
Okay, first of all, I think I'd like to apologize for not making any YouTube content for a while. Yeah, I've been so caught up with like just a bunch of other stuff that I completely forgot about my YouTube channel. No, actually I didn't forget about my YouTube channel, I just forgot to make videos. Now, yesterday was my 7th year anniversary. I know, crazy. 7 years of YouTube. I've basically been doing YouTube on this channel since I was freaking 12, and now I'm 18. Like, let that sink in. I built this channel from the ground up when I was a child. I'm sure we all have, but that's besides the point. Now, before I get into the stuff that all of the announcements that I have, before I get into those, I would like to answer the long-awaited question. Will there be an Oggy Humor Part 5? Oh wait, I'm not gonna answer that question now, lol. I'm gonna make you wait even longer for that. Okay, first things first, I made a rhythm game. I'm pretty sure I've already mentioned it in my last video, where I thanked Pizza Tower for a bunch of stuff that it does to me. But, come on. You guys came here for Oggy humor, so, you might as well just listen to all the other stuff that I have to say. Project Radio is a rhythm game that it takes inspiration from Taiko no Tatsujin and Muse Dash, and no, I'm just kidding. It's literally just Squid Beats 2 remade for PC. Hey look, Nintendo's not going to work on that game anymore. I might as well remake it from the ground up in Scratch. Yes, I'm remaking it in Scratch from scratch.
Hi.
What the hell am I doing with my life? Okay, I think today or tomorrow I'm gonna have to upload a compilation of all of my devlogs that you'll find on my Reddit profile. Alright, next up, Twitch streaming.
Okay, let me go get it.
Yeah, I've noticed that I started streaming on Thursdays. I mainly streamed to save on disk space, but you know what? Since Thursday is just the perfect day for me to stream, I mean, most of my family is gone at 7 p.m. So yeah, I've decided that every Thursday I'm going to be live streaming on 7 p.m. British time. Alright, next up, check out this cool sick ass beat that I made. Pretty cool, right? This is an Outcome Memory soundtrack. Trust me, it has nothing to do with Pizza Tower. Okay, I got everything else out of the way. Now to answer the question. What is the future of the Oggy content in my channel? Well, I am happy to announce that I will finally be uploading Oggy sound effects. Yep, all those sound effects that I've been using in my Oggy humor videos, yeah, now I'm going to make them publicly available. I was supposed to do that like last year. I was supposed to do that years ago, but better late than never. But never late is better. Alright, that's all I have to say for this video. Happy anniversary, me. 7 years is pretty cool. 7 is a lucky number, but I don't believe in luck. Wait, 7 years is a lucky number. Check out my channel name. Alright, bye.